Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring power and connectivity. Charge to at least 50% or plug in, then join a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Make sure you have about 2 GB free storage. Once done, back up critical data to Samsung Cloud or a micro SD/external drive so you can restore if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, scroll to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. This starts the update check and pulls the latest package for your model. Once the download begins, watch the progress percentage and keep the phone connected to Wi-Fi and power. Interruptions can corrupt the package. When download completes, you'll see Install Now or Schedule. Pick Install Now for immediate update or Schedule overnight if you prefer. The phone will prepare, optimize apps, and reboot. Make sure you don't force power off. After reboot, the system performs final optimizations. This can take several minutes, depending on installed apps and storage speed. After the restart, verify the new Android and One UI version in Settings About Phone so you know the update applied. If the phone shows errors or fails to boot, first try a soft reboot, then clear the cache partition to remove temporary install files. Booting into safe mode can help retry the update without third-party app interference. If problems persist, use Samsung Smart Switch on a PC to reinstall firmware or contact Samsung support for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.